Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix camera not working on Android step by step. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Restart your phone. First, simply restart your device. Press and hold the power button, tap Restart. This fixes most camera issues caused by temporary glitches. Step 2. Force stop and clear cache. Next, force stop the camera app. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, then tap on Camera, and then force stop. Then tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Cache. This removes corrupted temporary files without deleting your photos. Step 3. Check app permissions. Make sure the camera has proper permissions. Go to Settings, tap on Apps, find and tap Camera, then Permissions. Enable or allow camera, microphone, and storage permissions. Step 4. Update software. Finally, check for system updates. Go to Settings, tap on Software Update, then update and install any available updates. If nothing works, your camera hardware might need service. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.